Hey guys, my name is Hardy. Today I'm going to talk about stress and stress management strategies. So first of all, presentation outline. We are going we are going to explain about definition of stress and stressor, type of stress and stressor, effect of stress on human life, stress symptoms, stress management, benefit of stress management, and last conclusion. First of all, the introduction. Nowadays, every human facing one big problem in their success. That big problem is known as stress. If you come over on this big problem, you can keep on track of success. I'm going to introduce some basic strategies which is going to help you to get rid of this stress. The stress is not necessarily something bad. It all depends on accelerating or creating successful work is beneficial, while that of failure, humiliation, and infection is detrimental. Find a stress and stressors and which step and strategies make you successful to avoid stress, and you will keep on your success track. Now, first of all, we are talking about stress. What is stress? Stress is a complex series of reactions, both psychological and physical, in response to demanding or threatening situation. Hanseley defines stress as wear and tear on the body. Here it is a one equation. S is equals to P greater than R. R is known as resource, P is known as pressure, S is known as stress. When resources are less, it will create pressure and pressure creates stress. Now we are going to talk about stressor. What is stressor? Stressor are events that produce physical and psychological demand on a person. There are different types of stressor: school and relationships, work and family, finances, health, environmental and living situation. Now we are going to talk about the type of stress. There are four types of stress. First one is general. It is a general stress. Everyone has this kind of stress in this world, and it resolves itself within a day or two. The second one is cumulative or physical stress. This stress build up in your body and you may have more serious physical symptoms. The third and fourth one is known as a emotional stress. Third one is acute traumatic stress, critical incident stress, a normal reaction to abnormal activities. The fourth one is post-traumatic stress, severe stress produced by severe psychological trauma and producing lasting change. Now we are going to talk about effects of stress on human. There are two effects. The first one is physical. It causes weight gain, unexpected hair loss, heart palpitation, and high blood pressure. The second one is emotional, which is attached to your moods, like mood swings can lead to depression. You are going to consume alcohol and drugs to get rid of stress. Now we are going to talk about some symptoms. Symptoms which cause you stress, like short-term and long-term stress symptom. Dry mouth, and in short term it includes dry mouth and cool skin, cold hands and feet, rapid breathing, tense muscle. In long term it includes insomnia and change in appetite, aches and pains. And there are other two different type of symptoms. First one is behavioral, yawing and nail biting, talking too fast. And performance stress symptoms include lack of making decision. If you are in stress, you can't make your decision properly. All of your positive energy is consumed. Lack of self-confidence. You will lose your confidence if you are in stress. You may no longer enjoy your performance too. Now here it is one video.
Watch this. One little piece of paper can have a remarkable effect. Stress is stressful. But if you understand a bit about what it is, you'll be better able to deal with it. First, though, take a few deep breaths. In fact, do that anytime you feel stressed. It helps. Stress is a survival mechanism. When danger appears, it can get you out of trouble quickly. Your body crashes up the gears and throws all its resources into getting you moving. Your heart pumps furiously to increase blood pressure, glucose is sent to the muscles as a fuel injection, and you become totally focused on what psychologists call fight or flight. Thing is, this emergency state is only meant to last just long enough to get you out of danger. But here in the 21st century, we stress about different things, and for much, much longer. Your brain and body stay on red alert, and you'll be less able to think clearly, learn, or remember things. Take a few more deep breaths, because as you now know, stress is a physical reaction, and deep breathing helps to counteract its effects. So, what else can you do? Okay, top tips to reduce stress. First, get plenty of exercise. Let out all that locked up energy. Now, back to the problem. Get in control. Scope out the situation and how you're going to tackle it. Don't stress alone. Talk to someone. Socialize. And have a laugh. You can't laugh and quake with fear at the same time. Get down with nature on a big or small scale. And if your mind won't stop worrying, give it something else to do instead.
So we are now on my second part of the presentation. It is known as stress management strategies. What is stress management strategies? Stress management refers to the wide spectrum of techniques and psychotherapies aimed at controlling person's level of stress, especially chronic stress, usually for the purpose of improving everyday functioning. Here is a different strategy of stress management: the personal productive skills, physical activities, present moment awareness, leading a balanced life, conflict resolution skills, journaling, and meditation. First of all, we are talking about time management. This is the top priority to reduce your stress. In time management, you get organized, get structured. You can set your short-term goal, long-term goal. You can use your planner, what are you going to do. It will help you to do your work on time. The second one is healthy living. It includes diet. Examine your diet. If you are taking too much salt, lower your intake of salt. If you are taking too much caffeine, lower your caffeine intake, and include some nutrition food like vegetables, fruit, vitamins, water. It will give you a fresh energy to your body. There's some stress relief strategy like exercise, body relation, breathing technique, guide imaginary, physical exercise like yoga. It will help you to remove your stress. It will give you some energize and stamina body. The meditation is also good for stress relief. Spirituality, go to such place as like church, help other. It will give you positive energy, and positive energy will kill your stress too. Spend quiet time every day, be thankful to everyone, think positively, put your faith to work. These are all the strategy which help you to get rid of stress. Other tips like talk thing with someone you trust, a family member or a good friend. It is known as social work. Learn to manage your anger. Negative thinking leads to stress and energy, so don't think negative. Don't compromise your values. Break your job. Set reasonable goals which you can achieve, so it will not getting you stressed. The benefits of stress management. The physical health get better. If you don't have stress, you're feeling more energized and you build up too much stamina in your body if you don't have any stress. Emotional stabilized, like you will gain positive attitude, you will be happy, ability to focus improve. It will focus your improvement, your self confidence, your concentration on work. It will help you all the way. So now it is conclusion. Managing stress can help reduce the stress and make you feel more healthier. We have to remember that we cannot change the view of others, but prepare ourselves to prove our point. No one is perfect, so do not underestimate yourself. Yeah, always try to practice out for the different relation techniques. Always think positive and keep a positive attitude. If you have any questions, then ask me. Thank you for listening my presentation. Thank you.